Hi friends, I am so excited to open up the new Erin Condren summer bundle, so let's do it together. Thank you so much for joining me. I have the new Erin Condren summer bundle. It's available today. Let's just enjoy it together. So I love that. I love the experience in opening up an Erin Condren box, and I love the tissue paper they do. And this is so cute in this little small box. It's like getting a little gift. So I'm going to take the stuff out. I already see that. Oh my God, I love that. Let's get everything out. This is the new summer bundle, and the theme is called Painted Poppy Notebook Bundle. It is absolutely gorgeous. I know that they have like an artist there, a designer that does like some of the florals lately for some covers. She does it via like watercolor paints or something, but this looks absolutely beautiful. I love the design, and it matches the cover. The cover is just gorgeous. I love all of these colors, and look how it matches. Like this must be in the color, oh, it's Marigold. It's kind of reminding me of the yellow that Erin Condren has for this Life Planner launch, the butter color. I'm waiting for that clear folio, but we'll open this pouch later. But I'm kind of now obsessed with yellow, but this tone of yellow that Erin Condren has been using is the one I love. Okay, so we're gonna first look at the notebook. I love these stickers. By the way, these sticker sets like that Erin Condren has, I don't know if this is like they're gonna be their new design, but I love having it. It's much more streamlined here with the boxes here, checklists, these little dots for, to-dos or to highlight certain things. I love the banners here and the washi strips here. It's just absolute perfection. Easy way to plan and decorate the page. And let's just open the notebook. This is their classic lined notebook. It's really probably one of my favorite notebooks to use. And it's just lined. So here you have like, so many pages of lined pages, perfect to take on the go for the summer. I just love their notebooks so much. So let's try out this set. So it comes with this set of summer colorful fine tip markers, a 6-pack. So let's open this up. It says here. Okay. I absolutely love these colors. I'm gonna have to take this on my trip to France. They're nice and thin. I really like this. This is something new from Erin Condren. I've never seen pens like this before. They're thin, kind of like, do you know those Le Pens pens? Okay, so let's try out these markers. They are super cute and they're very thin. I'm curious how they're gonna write, and the colors are not listed on the pack, but there are not that many colors, so it's okay. So this is red. Nice and thin. It does, like, holding this reminds me of the Le Pen, but I just like this modern look so much better with this frosted like tip here. Next is Peony. Really I just love Erin Condren paper. I like how it writes. There's orange next, and I think it's this one. It looks peach in the barrel. It is slightly less legible, but it looks okay on camera. It's really good. Okay, Kelly Green. Love Kelly Green. I wonder how it got the name Kelly Green. I just thought of that. I don't know why. And then turquoise. And then finally, cornflower. Oh, wow. Look at those colors together. So beautiful. Look at the cover. Like, I just feel like it's captured every color in this cover too. It matches really well. So yeah, these are the nice new little fine tip markers. Also, we get a sticky notepad, set of 2 here. And this is like gummed to the other one. So basically you can write on here. It's a nice like circle sticky note here. Call out important things like try this. Graduation, 6 p.m. It's my daughter's graduating tomorrow. Okay, so that's like a really nice and big and bold. Great for your life planner. Great for if you just want to, you know, maybe in your, you know, right now for the summer, maybe all you can handle is a notebook. And this is the perfect notebook set. So there's like a full circle, then also like a half circle, which is really cute. So I think this will work really well in a life planner. Okay, let's open up this beautiful organizer in Marigold. I'm going to take off the tag. I think Erin Condren's organizer sets are like just some of the best. And I think that I was obsessed. I think they launched this kind of style, was it last year? Okay, you can fold it up and it lays flat. And there's pockets here. You can put all your like essentials for journaling and planning. And there's a special zipper in here that's like, you know, protects certain things. Maybe you have a special pen that needs to be protected, like a fountain pen. And then, or like tweezers and you don't want to poke yourself. And then these go here. And just know that it's all open down here, so your pens will go from one side to the next. But I love this so much. You can also use this for like travel, for makeup too. I love it. And then there's an Erin Condren little tag inside here. Not sure if that's new, but this is really cute. I really love it. And it matches so well with everything. I love that you can hold the markers in here and then you can put the sticky notes. Actually, maybe this one's bigger. Yeah, this one's better. So the sticky notes fit there. You can put like, you know, rulers and whatever planning essentials you need. There you go. It's like that. And it's so cute. And you can hold it around like that. I mean, this is like a cute little, like, little summer, like, it's almost like a little purse in a way. I don't know. I love it. It's such a cute pouch. And I love how it folds open so that when you're journaling or planning, it's like all the way open on the desk. Okay, this 7x9 line notebook, you can also get it personalized with your name if you want. So with the 7x9 line notebook, you have the Marigold small organizer set. You have the sticker sheet and the 6 fine tip markers. They're so amazing. I don't know who's doing Erin Condren's pens, but I love their pens so much. And these are like, they are really, really beautiful and they write really, really nice. So, and you know, you need a fine tip to write with. So this is really great and it's so thin and portable. And then you also get sticky notes, peach and salmon circle sticky notes. So this is the Painted Poppy notebook bundle, the summer bundle from Erin Condren this summer. It's definitely worth it to me, if even only for these pens and the organizer. Absolutely love it. This cover design of the florals is simply gorgeous. So amazing. I've linked this bundle in my description box, so thank you in advance for using my affiliate link. I have plenty more Erin Condren things to share with you this month, so stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on notifications so you'll be aware of all my new Erin Condren videos and all my planner videos and stationery videos on this channel. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye!